How should I know? How should I know? She told you. She told you. How was your day? How was your day? It was good. It was good. Why are you late? Why are you late? Because I missed my bus. Because I missed my bus. Where is your book? Where is your book? It is in the bag. It is in the bag. How many books are there? How many books are there? There are 4 books. There are 4 books. Who are they? Who are they? They are students. They are students. Who are you? Who are you? I am Rose. I am Rose. What happened? What happened? I lost my ring. I lost my ring. How to go? How to go? Go by bus. Go by bus. What is that? What is that? That is a cat. That is a cat. What time is it? What time is it? It's 12 noon. It's 12 noon. Where are we? Where are we? We are in park. We are in park. What did he say? What did he say? He asked for money. He asked for money. How to start? How to start? Start with grammar. Start with grammar. Did you pass? Did you pass? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. How tall are you? How tall are you? I am 6 feet tall. I am 6 feet tall. When is the party? When is the party? On Tuesday. On Tuesday. Why are you late? Why are you late? I got up late. I got up late. Whose car is this? Whose car is this? It's mine. It's mine. What now? What now? Let's have dinner. Let's have dinner. Who are they? Who are they? They are students. They are students. Which language do you speak? Which language do you speak? I speak English. I speak English. Who drew? Who drew? My sister drew. My sister drew. Who is better? Who is better? The gold one. The gold one. How is business? How is business? Quite good. Quite good. When will you sleep? When will you sleep? I will sleep soon. I will sleep soon. Where are you? Where are you? At home. At home. What is it? What is it? It's a table. It's a table. Who own? Who own? My friend own. My friend own. How much did it cost? How much did it cost? It cost $10. It cost $10. Whose is this? Whose is this? It's our. It's our. Who is this? Who is this? He is a teacher. He is a teacher. What's your job? What's your job? I am a student. I am a student. Why me? Why me? Because you can do. Because you can do. Where do you go? Where do you go? I go to a bank. I go to a bank. What's the matter? What's the matter? She went home. She went home. How are you? How are you? Great. Great. When to go? When to go? Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Who is she? Who is she? She is a calf. She is a calf. What is this? What is this? It is a fan. It is a fan. What is this? What is this? It is a book. It is a book. What is this? What is this? This is a computer. This is a computer. Who is that? Who is that? He is an artist. He is an artist.